Good day, ma'am. I just want to voice over not just yung mga nakalagay dyan sa slides ko, but also my full experience, my reflection. You still pause po if you want to read my reflection each slides. When I first heard about object-oriented programming, I was really excited. Na-excite talaga ako kasi I've always wanted to learn how to program and I felt like this was also a part of my journey. And I was eager to know more, to understand how things work kasi gusto ko talaga to mag-code. Pero things didn't go my way as I expected. I remember failing my midterm exam. I felt really disappointed in myself kasi nung first year hindi naman ako ganun Hindi ako nag-fail sa exam, but that failure became a wake-up call. It pushed me to try harder, to study more, and to take learning seriously talaga. One of my biggest struggles was that I depended too much on what I already know. I forgot the basics, kagaya sa midterms na pag-mix up ko na imbis na else if else pa rin nalagay ko. It sounds small, but it showed me that I needed to go back talaga to the basics and build a stronger foundation. Because in programming, the basics are everything, di ba? And even with the struggles, I realized that I really love programming talaga. I enjoy the challenges and I want to keep learning more. This subject taught me not just how to code, but also how to stay strong and keep going no matter how many mistakes I make. Kasi I want to be a successful programmer one day, not just for the money, but because I don't want to live where I work 9 to 5 and barely get by. I want freedom. I want a better future for myself and for my family. And someday, I hope to become software engineer. And one thing I learned is that okay lang naman mag-fail. Okay lang din naman mag-struggle. Basta ang importante ay ipagpatuloy. Every error, every challenges, and every little success is a step forward. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.